Ready?
Yes.
Let's do it. Hello, welcome to another episode here, Breakman in the Woods, and today I'm with my assistant patrol leader. Your assistant patrol leader?
Yeah.
This is Dexter. We're here in the Scout Hall, and we're going to be talking about a question I get asked so much. It's all about this bad boy. Find out next. I have brought Dexter with me in the Scout Hall garden, and we're going to be talking about what?
Firelighting kit.
Firelighting kit. So each of my patrols gets a firelighting kit more or less similar to this, and it's a question I get asked all the time. What should a scout or patrol scout, what should they keep in a firelighting kit? And I thought, what better way is to get one of my scouts to show you the kit that we use. Unfortunately, they get lost all the time, so it seems like every year I've got to replace the contents of this, but it works well, and it's really basic, so it's not in too much detail. It's just things that they can get the fire going more or less straight away. And Dexter is going to show us what's in the kit. Go for it.
Okay, so there's Vaseline, which is a fuel which makes the fire burn for longer.
So if you get a small little tin like this, it will go in your firelighting kit much better than the big pot. So these you can pick up, but this one is like 80p, so that's really good. Okay, go for it, Dexter.
So then this is silver birch, which burns really well. It doesn't give us too much heat though.
So full of nice oils. So this is the paper birch. We're lucky around here where we live in London. There's so much of this paper, and this is like tree ID for scouts. The only tree that scouts really need to learn about is the silver birch, paper silver birch. And when you light this bad boy goes up in seconds, but it doesn't take a spark, this stuff. Carry on, sir.
So then we have
What's this?
so it's like a flint and steel.
Flint and steel.
Yeah, kind of.
Fire steel.
Fire steel, that's it. So you scrape a little bit of the plasticky black stuff off, and then you can sometimes, which I can't do right now.
Under pressure. Yeah.
Let it spark.
So what kind of stuff would you use that on? What materials would you use that on?
So there's some cotton wool in here, which lights very easily.
So this one, in fact, we make quite a lot. The scouts, when they go camping just before, these are the makeup pads soaked in wax. So the wax is waterproof. Acts as a fuel, and the cotton wool sparks really well. So you just snap these in half, and then take a spark, as Dexter was saying. These burn for, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes or so because of the wax. Cool.
So the sharpeners for when you can get a stick and you sharpen all of the dry stuff off the outsides.
I'll put a link up, just up here, of the vlog I did about the tinder grader, I think we officially called it.
And then the stuff lights really easily. So then we have, is it hardened wood?
Fatwood.
Fatwood, that's it.
Hardened wood.
Which has loads of oil in it, so it's like a fuel like the Vaseline. So yeah, and these are really good.
Yeah. So if your scouts don't use knives, as a scout leader, it's full of jute. What you can do is use your sharpener and then put it in there, and then make the shavings from that, and then the fatwood shavings take a spark using your fire steel.
So then this is a
Smells good.
This is a magnifying glass, which you can use as an alternative to the fire steel to make a spark from the sun. Yeah, so.
Fresnel, I think you call that. Fresnel mirror.
Then this is a waterproof cotton wool, which is good because it doesn't get wet and you can light it really easily.
Very good.
Then I forgot what the string's called.
Jute.
Jute string. It lights really well, and it's got oil in it, so.
Does it?
Yeah, I thought you said it got oil in it.
It doesn't have oil. It's just jute string, so it's natural. If you're going to get this for your scouts, make sure you get the unwaxed stuff. And basically, how it works. This is good stuff as well. So you just pull the jute string apart, make a bundle like this, and then if you take a spark to it, it goes up. But this does burn out within a few seconds, so it's good as a backup. This is kind of what we give each patrol for their fire starting kit. If you're looking kind of what to get, the fire still is a must. You know, I think every scout needs to learn how to use these. These can work in the rain. As we know, we love camping in the rain, don't we, Dexter?
Yeah.
We're very good at camping in the rain. So if these get wet, it still works. It's not like a box of matches. These last for 3,000-4,000 times, and like anyone can use these. Even Dexter can use these. Beavers can use these. These are really well. So this will be my number one thing. The pencil sharpener. When you go camping in the rain, it always happens in scouts. The wood is wet, so taking those shavings to get the inside of the tinder nice and dry. So these two bad boys, Silverback, Vaseline. I think everyone here in this kit is kind of like a basic thing. But these two things, these bands, not only does it hold the kit together, but they have a few uses. They're called Ranger bands. The official thing is, but basically it's a slither of what? What do you think these are from?
It's rubber.
It's rubber. Stretchy. It looks like a circle. Where is it from? You have two of these, and they go round and round.
A bike, a wheel.
Yeah. So it's an inner tube. So it's a bike inner tube, and these are really good for fire lighting if you use a lighter. But I don't give my scouts lighters, and they burn really well. But they give off some really nasty plastic, black, smoky, and not very nice things. So not a really go-to fire lighter. But for worst case scenarios, these. So should we have a quick roundup of what's in it again? Fire steel.
Pencil sharpener, birch paper,
Wait.
Vaseline, fat wood, string stuff,
Jute string.
waterproof,
Cotton wool.
cotton wool.
Do you know what this really is?
Yes.
What is it?
I'm not gonna say that.
What is it?
It's a thing.
It's a thing. I know it's a thing. It's a what?
I forgot the name of it.
Ah, convenient. Man, this is the best at scouts. This one,
The magnifying glass thing.
magnifying glass, really good for solar lighting. Fat wood, jute string, and these honestly make these quite a lot of scouts. I've done a video about how to make these. This is so easy. Makeup pads and some melted down wax, and they work so well. I think we need to make some more of this. And then just get yourself an old tin. Tobacco tins work really well. You can pick these up on eBay, Poundland, sell them as just some sort of waterproof tin, or what's that other one? The plastic easy lock. Some sort of tin just to make it, but it has to be waterproof. Guys, that's it. Big thank you to Dexter. Thank you, Dexter, man. His first vlog here at Big Man in the Woods. I think it's your first vlog.
Yeah.
Is it? Maybe we get Dexter back for another one. I don't know. Maybe we need to find out what this really is.
I forgot.
He's forgotten already. Guys, thank you very much. Until next time, happy camping. Bye.